Bitcoin is on the verge of a parabolic breakout, while on the other end, Cronos is flashing green for the first time. It is really starting to look like we might close October in the green after all. So guys, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the one and only Coin Baron. And recently, Bitcoin had a really big surge in the price, as you can see on the chart here. In only 7 days, we went up about 15%, so definitely not too shabby. But the most significant part about this move is that right now we're above this yellow trend line. And we set this yellow trend line already back in March 2024 when we created this big setup with the bull flag. But okay, guys, this is not the first time we are above the trend line here. Also, we were above the trend line. But right now, this is the first time we are above the trend line for 3 or 4 consecutive days. So a really great sign for Bitcoin, especially if you also consider what's happening with the other indicators. So if you move over to the weekly, we can start to see, guys, that we have this MACD here. And the MACD right now is touching those tips here. This means that most likely next week, the blue line will overtake the orange line. And that is very interesting because the last time that happened, that was in October 2023. And let me show you on the chart what happened back then. So the last time that happened, guys, we went up from about 30,000 to about 70,000 in a matter of only a few weeks. So guys, we are, I think, really ready for the next leg up. And I can also show you what's happening again on the MACD. So here you can see it's about to flip green as well. So it is very, very close to be there, about 14 points more. And then finally, we can start to experience these green waves again. Overall, I'm feeling very bullish about Bitcoin, and the market does agree with me because for the first time in ages, greed is back on the Fear and Greed Index. So you might see a pump coming very soon. But not only, guys, for Bitcoin, potentially also for altcoins. And we do see the first trickle down effects on Cronos. So let's go to the chart directly. For Cronos, we make use of the exact same indicators. So if you don't want to miss the upcoming pump, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to see more. But okay, let's move over to that MACD for CRO because that's the first indicator that started flashing green on the daily. So here we do see the first time we are green with this little candle. And the last time we started from red to green, that was in September again. And then we had a move from about that 7 cent level to about 9 cents, which also is about that 15% move. But personally, guys, I'm not selling my CRO for 9 cents. I'm looking for higher levels. So let's take a look at the weekly, because there we can see more significant numbers. Because also there, the MACD is very, very close to that 0 point, that inflection point from where we go from red to green. So guys, again, take a look at this. We're very close to that line to flip green. And from that point onward, guys, we can start to see very, very big moves. Then we're talking not only 9 cents, then we're talking about 10 cents, 15 cents, potentially 20 cents in a very short amount of time. When we're talking about resistance levels for CRO, the most imminent one is the break of the 8 cent level right about here. But then I do think the real battle will take place at the 9 cent level. So there, the first time, guys, we have had a lot of resistance. So I do not think this will be an easy break. But if we break there, I think the door is open to actually check out this level. So that's about 10.5 cents and then about 12 cents. And I think the real battle will be about here. This one was very important the last time we checked it out. So I do think it might be up, down, up, down, up, down. Until then, we are still, I think, in this range. But okay, we'll take a look at this every week, guys. So make sure you stay subscribed because soon we also have a monthly update. Some people are putting in the comments that CRO might see lower levels, even going as low as 6 cents. But personally, I'm not buying that right now. Of course, we have the looming news of the SEC and the lawsuit of Crypto.com. But overall, guys, CRO is not one of the targeted coins as of right now. So far, we are, I think, in safe waters. But okay, I think with an upcoming bull market for Bitcoin, only CRO can actually go up. Anyways, just my 2 cents here, guys, no financial advice, but make sure you actually do check out some fundamental reasons why CRO might go even higher to that $1 level.